राज्यसभेची वेंचणूक अशी जाली परिस्थिती की तुम्ही कॅन्डिडेट सुद्दां घालना आणि तुम्ही वेल्यान सांगतात की तुगेलो इट इज इन गोवास इंटरेस्ट म्हणून. हे कितें?
So you need to understand one thing. What was required to file the nomination? For a party, we needed 4 MLAs. And for an independent, as per the rule, we required 10 MLAs. Both was not possible. Somehow, we all came together and felt that, and it is a political strategy. You will see in days to come. Because if you see, when the BJP sees 7 of us together, or these political parties together, it will send shivers down their spine.
तुम्ही 7 जण एकठांय या पण वेंचणूकच झगडनात.
ना वेंचणूक
मागीर ते शिवर्स खंयच्यान येतले?
ना 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 शिवर्स येले, घाम सुटली तांकां, ते प्रयत्न करतले मरे मुखार आमकां आंको स्प्लिट करपाक. सो ऑल द पॉलिटिकल
करतले
हय कोण दी कितें हा गोंयच इंट्रस्ट पयलीं जावपाक जाय न्हू. हुएवर आर कॉम्प्रोमायज विल बी सीन. सी गोवाज इंट्रस्ट हॅज टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड. Somehow everyone needs to draw the line. We need to know our limitations, where we stand, what is reality. See, as Congress party, we introspected. And in the Congress party, we felt that there are certain issues that need to be taken up, highlighted. For instance, after the 2022 assembly polls, I felt, and the survey shows that there is a disconnect between the age group of 18 to 40 and 45. Now, why has this happened is because their senior leader, they did not create second generation leaders. Now, this age group is about 30 to 35% of the vote share. And this is a major decision maker. So, definitely this time, I feel that even as Congress party, we understand and we are working towards working with everyone. If you look today in Karnataka, there is a meeting where all opposition parties are meeting. So somehow things are falling in place.
एक गजाल युरियाचो आरोप जालो राज्यसभेक तुम्ही कॅन्डिडेट घालना म्हणून. तो म्हळ्यार एटलिस्ट जेन्ना एक इलेक्शन जाता 4 गजाली हायलायट करपाक मेळटात, 4 गजालींचेर उलोवपाक मेळटा, लोकां मुखार कांय मुद्दे दवरपाक मेळटात, एक डिबेट जाता, डिस्कशन जाता. आरोप इज की यू लॉस्ट दॅट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी by deciding to not field a candidate.
See, the opportunity was never present. Where was it present? You tell me on the numbers. No, finally it's about filing nominations. We needed 4. And there were, we are 7. 7 against 10. We needed 10 as an independent. So where is the
party
question?
You needed 4. Yes. As an independent you needed 10.
Yes.
Yeah. And दोन्ही गजाली तुम्ही म्हणतात की not fielding a candidate was on the basis of a technicality.
It is a political strategy which I feel all the 7 MLAs have discussed and they have penned down and put their signature. They felt that it was in Goa's interest.